Have you ever wondered how many Wikipedia articles I am reading incrementally? Or at least, how many Wikipedia articles do I have in my collection to begin with? Well, there's a trick. You can actually know that. So here I'm running a backup, and here I have one random article from the Wikipedia. So I can actually use this to paste. And now I do a find in text, that is in the text registry, not in elements. And I paste this, but I don't want just this article. So I will leave it until the wiki. So I have the URL with the subdomain of the English Wikipedia and whatever it is. So this will include all texts that have one Wikipedia link. And as you can see, just the first, it's a false positive. That is because here it's including one link, but it's in the body. But you may know that SuperMemo is always feeding the title from the content. So if the title is already the link, that means it's the link itself. And this is fed from the sources. All you see here, the comment, the source, the date, and the title would be one text registry member themselves, not just the body. Okay, so here I just have 2,288 members. Now I select the first one. I don't want all of those. And now I open a new subset registry with the selected items. I missed one. Okay. So now I know. Now I know I have exactly in this backup 2,279 Wikipedia articles in my collection. The only case that's not true is if I could create a topic and just paste one Wikipedia link to it. So I copy this, for instance, in a new topic and that's it. That will be one false positive, but I never do that. So I know that if it's here, that is because the reason it is in one link from one reference of one topic that has been imported. Nice. If I open here, browse all elements using the currently selected registry subset, I just open all the elements I have in my collection that are from this subset, so from the Wikipedia links. That is, I answered first one question. How many articles do I have in my collection coming from Wikipedia? 2,279. Now I have another question. Out of those, how many elements from my collection comes from a Wikipedia article? Whatever, if it's the genuine top-level article itself, it's an extract, it's a topic I have a split automatically, it's an item I created, that is 26,683. Good to know, right?